Today, we're about to remove the front bumper off this Infiniti G30. Whoa, it's not even a G. It's a Q60 2014. We're about to remove the front bumper. I gotta remove the headlight to fix the parking signal. It's not working. You know, and these headlights, I'm gonna show you. These are the special headlights, expensive headlights. It's like $1,000. If you know, you know. But yeah, I have to fix the parking light. Something wrong. I mean the turn signal, something wrong with it. One side's working, one not, so I'm gonna have to open it, see what's good. Probably the LEDs out or something. We'll see, because I don't know. All right, so if you don't know how to remove the front bumper, it's gonna be the same thing for the G37 IPL sedans. It's just different shape. All right, let's get it. Type bright out here. So this is the headlight I'm talking about. If you know, you know. These headlights are not cheap. So I'm gonna have to take this out. I don't know what's going on here, but I need to take the bumper off so I could see what's good with that headlight. So this is how I'm gonna show you how to remove it. I don't think I'm gonna show you how to put it back because I'm gonna need some time with the headlight. And yeah, so first things first, let's remove these clips here. I already did this thing over here. It's over here. Gotta pop these off, swing it back. Same thing over here. This one broke, so I'm gonna need a new one. And all right, I might have to take this with my fingers. See, I have to take this out with my fingers. That. Nope, can't take it out with my finger. This one. Nope. All right, get the tool, clip tool. All right, it's the tool right here. Pop this out. This out, pop this up. This too. Don't pull on it because there's another clip right here. Right here. Pop it up. Yeah. If you can't force it, take your tool. Just pop it up. Alright. Cool. Swing this over. Put it in here. It stays in there. Okay, now get a 10 mil over here. See that? The other side I lost this bracket. It's inside the car, but this broke off. So 10 mil. Alright. Take that off. Make sure you remember it goes this way. See that? And anyways, it goes in here like so with a 10 mil. All right, now let's go under and remove some stuff under here. All right, so those under there is 10 mils. You have to remove 10s. The splash shield right here. Some G's have these, some don't, you know? So if you still have yours, you're lucky. Because most of these just go missing. We're missing, man. Got this over here. Right here. But I do recommend if you get this metal one instead of these plastic shit. There. And should be one here, but it's missing. Alright, now let's pull this back. Okay, I won't pull back without this thing. Actually, do I need to pull it back? Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Alright, as long as it moves. Good here. All right, all those are off. Don't lose those 10 mils. Okay, now let's peel this back over here. Sometimes it'd be a clip over here, right here, but it's missing. So let's try to pry this backwards. Not backwards, but pry this here. You can find some space here. Go this gap right here. There's a gap in there. Pry it back and put your tool in. Alright, once you pry this back, 10 mil right here, right in front of your face. I don't think there's another one after that. Okay, right here. Alright, got that. See, this is gonna be way different than the other screws, so you will know this is for the sides. Alright, both sides has the same thing. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Once you do that, pull down on here and pull back. So it'll pop out. Be careful, don't rip this OD because you might rip the plastic on the bumper, which you don't want to do. Alright, pry this back. Okay, like so. Alright. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Remember, if you have fog lights, disconnect the fog light from here. You see that? Disconnect that. Shit real quick, as you can see. Okay. Let's pry this back here. Down. Down. And do the other side. Same thing. Alright, now let's remove the bumper off. Go. Bumper is off. Alright, so I might show you how to put it back on. Depends how I'm feeling. I might not. Don't count on it. Doubt it. I'm gonna do a video. But anyways, same way you took it off. You see how easy that was to take it off. Just put it back the same way. If I don't put it back. If not, I'm just chatting right now. Alright. So I fixed the headlight. Now we're gonna put this bumper back. Headlight was just a connector, disconnected, easy. I had to open it. Now let's put this back same way we took it off. Don't forget your fog light plugs on both sides. One there, one over here. Now I'm gonna slap it on. I'm not gonna show you that because you don't need to see that. All right, so I got the new piece. The white one was gonna take forever to come, so I just got a black one. Doesn't really matter. Over there is white. All right, let's put this on. Make sure when you're putting it back, it's flush on there. As you see on this side, see it's flushed. Same thing. Make it flush over here. Pull it back so it snaps in. And you gotta make this flush too. All right, I lined this up. Before it was weird looking. Now it's better. Now let me put this back. Got it all lined up. Now let's put the screws in on top here, both sides, and the bottom. All right, 10 mil. Now let's put these brackets back. It's labeled. Now we gotta put this back over there. And since that's the right side, you take this R and we're gonna put it in there like this way, like this. Whoa. Okay, same thing with the left side. The left side, you gotta put it in there like that. I think. Is it like that? Is it like that? You get the point. Put it in there. If it doesn't fit, swap them. Word. All right, let's do that right now. So for this side, the screw was the wrong way. I had to flip to the other side. Now it looks right. You see how this thing's poking out? This thing's poking out. Now it's better. During before, this was swapped. Let's put this back. All right, put this one back. Right here. Okay. Now, let's put these back. All these clips that was here. The old ones broke, so I have to put new ones. All right, so you don't need to see me do that. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so we done here. Nothing more to do. Everything's flushed on. No gaps. Everything's on. Everything worked. I already checked. And that should be it. Make sure you check your lights. Everything worked. Headlights, fog lights, high beam signals, everything. All right, so already know if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.